Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the sixth problem in exercise number 3. Sixth problem. I'll read the question. Raja walks 1.5 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Now, what you have to write is distance covered by Raja in 1 second is equals to 1.5 meters. Okay. Now you have to find distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes is equal to how much? So it is a question. So how he is covering the distance means by walking only. If you read the question, by walking. So here 15 minutes is equal to, this 15 minutes you have to convert into seconds. So 15 okay into minutes is there. Minute is nothing but 60 seconds. So 6 15s are, it is 900 seconds. So the question is 1 second. In 1 second he will cover 1.5 meters means if you convert into improper, I said that 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 1.5 meters, if you convert it into improper, it is 3 by 2. These two you should do multiplication, the product should be added to this numerator. So in 1 second he will travel 3 by 2 meters. In 900 seconds, how much distance he will cover. So what you have to do is, it is like just multiplication. 1 chocolate cost 3 rupees. 900 chocolates cost how much? Means 900 into 3. Like that. 900 into 3 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2 450s are 900. 3 into 450. 3 zeros 0. 3 5s are 15 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. So he will travel how many meters? 1350 meters he will travel with this within 15 minutes. Okay, this is the 6th problem. Now we will go with the 7th problem in same exercise. How we have to do 7th problem? So it is fill in the blank. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. So he given some blank here. He given here blank. So to make this statement, this statement is called mathematical statement. Like 2 into dash is equals to 10. So here dash is given. So fill in the blank to become true means 2 5s are 10 or not. You have to write 5. How it is there like this? Here also it is same. Now this box you have to write it. Now I said 2 fractions. If they multiplied, if you got something, numerator into numerator I said. 2 into what numerator you have to write to become 20. So 2 table if you read 20 when it will come means 2 tens are 20. So in numerator 10 should be there. Now 3 is there. 3 table you should read to get denominator as 21. 3 table if you read when 21 will come means 3 sevens are 21. So you have to fill the blank like that. Next question said here. Next question. 5 by 7 given into dash by 3 given. Not dash by 3, dash by 5 is equals to 3 by dash. So now listen. What he given is 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Okay. Here what is there means here 0. Blank is there. Here I got 3. So 5 and 5 cancelled means 1 is there. 1 into how much is equal to 3 means 3 here. What is remained here? 7. 3 by 7. Okay. Next now how to do divisions we'll see it here. Divisions are very important one. How we have to do divisions. So what is division? Say here 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. It is division. So here 9 divided by 2 means your father gave 9 rupees to you, and you and your sibling two has to share this 9 rupees. What you will do is, see here, 1 rupee coin, 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 like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 1 rupee coins are there here. What you have to do? 2 members you have to share. 2 members you have to share. You and your brother or sister. Okay. Now what you will do is, you will keep 1 rupee coin in your pocket and in your brother's pocket, 1 rupee. So 2 completed here. Next again, you will take 2 and 1 in this, 1 in this. 2 completed. Again you will take 2, 1 in this, 1 in this. Okay. Again you will take 2, 1 in this, 1 in this. Completed. Now 1 rupee is remained. Means what you done is, so this is called division. 9, if you divide with 2, 2 fours are how much here? 8. So here whatever remainder, it is called remainder. It is called remainder. And 4 and 4 equally shared in 2 pockets or not? Here this is called, 2 is called, what is that? 2 is called divisor. And here quotient. Inside this pocket, how many coins each they got? This is called quotient. Each 4 coins you got it. So 2 4s are 8. See again I'll explain. 9 if you want to divide with 2, take 9 1 rupee coins. Okay. Take 2 cups or 2 pockets, whatever it may be. You and your sibling, means your brother or sister. So you have to take equally these 9 rupees. 9 divided by 2 means 2 members has to share equally. So here what you will do? 1 rupee you kept in your pocket, 1 more 1 rupee you kept in your brother's pocket. Like the 2 you are taking, 1 in this, 1 in this. Like this 8 completed. 8 you took 4 in this and 4 in this you kept it. To keep same, here only 1 coin is there, 2 pockets are there. So you can't share it. So this one is called what? Remainder. And in each pocket how many are there? That is called quotient. So it is about division, normal division. Okay. So now this division with the fractions, how we have to do it? This division with fractions, how we have to do it? So first question is 2 divided by 1 by 4. If you know multiplication very perfectly, division will come to you. Okay. 2 divided by 1 by 4. What you have to do is, 2 can be written as 2 by 1 divided by 1 by 4. So in multiplication also I said that 2 means 2 by 1, write down I said. 2 by 1 and 2 are equal. Next what you have to do? This divided by symbol, remove it and write into. It's a reciprocal, take it, 4 by 1. Reciprocal means numerator have to write in the denominator, denominator have to write in the numerator. So then if you multiply 2 fractions, 2 4s are 8, 1 1s are 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but 8. So 2 divided by 1 by 4 is nothing but 8. So 2 you have to divide as 1 by 4. See here, it is 1, it is 2. Okay, 2 divided by 1 by 4. So this I divide as, it is 1/4, it is 1/4, it is 1/4, it is 1/4. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So 2 I divided as 1 by 4, 1 by 4 like that. How many 1 by 4s I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 2 is to be divided as each 1 by 4 equal parts. So it is called division. This is not necessary. You have to do like this. One more example I will say to you. That is 7 1 by 2. 7 divided by 1 by 2. It is question. How you have to do? First step what I said. 7 write as 7 by 1. Divided by 1 by 2 same as it is. Again 7 by 1. Divided by, make it as into. Write its reciprocal. 1 by 2's reciprocal is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. Now multiply it. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. 14 by 1 is nothing but 14. So this is about division. Okay. Now we will see with mixed fractions how we have to do it. With mixed fractions, divisions, how we have to do, we will see it. Here 9 divided by 2 by 5. Listen carefully. First 9, denominator not there means I said to write denominator as 1. Next 9 by 1, this as it is write it. Make divide by as into, write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Means these two if you multiply, you will get 1. So reciprocal of one fraction means you have to write reverse. Numerator you have to write in denominator. Denominator you have to write in numerator. Okay. Now 9 into 5. 9 5s are 1 into 2. 9 5s are 45. 1 2s are 2. 45 by 2 is its answer. Okay. Next about remaining 4 divided by 3 2 by 5. 4 divided by 3 2 by 5. So how to do division? Just now I said 4 write as 4 by 1 divided by same. It is in mixed fraction, convert into improper. These two multiply 5. There is a 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5. Again what I said, first fraction write as it is. Divided by, make it into. Write its reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse. 5 by 17. Now no cuttings, no cancellations. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. 4 5s are 20. 1 17 is 17. So like this in exercise number 4 you have to write reciprocals. So reciprocal of 5 by 8. If anyone will ask, you have to write in writing. Reciprocal of 5 by 8 is, I said to write reverse or not, 8 by 5. So like that find is there. Some divisions are there. In exercise number 4, do it.